If you're passionate about travel and saving money, this video is going to be a game changer. Over the past 2 years, Danny and I have been traveling the world using miles and points, and the experiences we've had have been incredible. Like a free week-long stay at a luxury resort on the Nile, and flying upper class with Virgin Atlantic from London to New York for less than the cost of one basic economy ticket. These kinds of redemptions wouldn't have been possible without the right tools, and Daily Drop has been our go-to resource for learning how to earn miles and points. And now with Daily Drop Pro, they've made it easier than ever to use them. So whether you're a full-time traveler or just planning your annual family vacation, this tool could save you thousands. Now, before we dive into the details, let me tell you about what's coming up, because I'm going to actually show you the different features of Daily Drop Pro and even do a walkthrough of actually booking a trip, because I want you to see exactly how it works. So stay with me because this tool is going to blow your mind. So what is it? Daily Drop Pro is a one-stop travel tool that takes the hassle out of finding incredible deals on flights and hotels. So whether you're booking with cash or miles and points, it consolidates the best options so you don't have to open a dozen tabs like I used to or just spend hours researching. If you've ever tried searching for perfect points redemption, you know how overwhelming it can be. You have airline alliances, transfer partners, and even multiple ways to book the exact same seat. Or maybe you're really new to the miles and points game and aren't really even sure what all that lingo means. Either way, Daily Drop Pro removes all of that complexity by showing you exactly where the best deals are, all in one place. The platform works behind the scenes to search through hundreds of flights and hotels in real time, and then it walks you step by step through how to book them. It's like having an insider guide that not only finds the best deals, but also shows you how to maximize your redemptions. For example, one of our friends found a $10,000 Q-Seats flight for just 20,000 points and a small fee. That's my dream seat, and it wouldn't even matter where we were flying to. But now that you know what Daily Drop Pro is, let me show you exactly how it works. First up, the flight points search feature. This works kind of like Google Flights, but instead of searching for cash prices, it looks across multiple airline points programs in real time. So here's what that means. If you're planning a trip to Paris, let's say, Daily Drop Pro scans programs like Flying Blue, Virgin Atlantic, and Delta to find the best deal. It even walks you through how to set up accounts and transfer points step by step, so you're never stuck guessing what to do. Next, let's talk hotels. The Hotels Point Search lets you find incredible deals on accommodations across all major hotel loyalty programs. So sticking with our Paris example, I searched for a hotel and found a $1,500 a night stay at the Park Hyatt for just 35,000 points total. Plus, you can even filter by programs, room types, or even distance from your destination. It's so quick and easy compared to opening a dozen tabs to compare options manually. Next, we have one of my favorite features, the wallet. If you're like me and you have points spread across multiple programs, keeping track of it can be a nightmare. But with Daily Drop Pro, you can input all your balances in one place, so when it's time to book, you know exactly what you're working with. And for those of you who are flexible with your travel plans, the Deal Alerts feature is a lifesaver. You can set up alerts for specific destinations, regions, or travel dates, and Daily Drop Pro will notify you when an amazing deal pops up. For example, this morning I saw a deal from our home airport here in Honolulu to Sydney for $262. Look, $262. I am seriously considering booking this right now. I should probably ask Danny first, but if you see some travel videos on here from Australia, you know he said yes. But anyway, my point is that this feature takes the guesswork out of finding last-minute deals. And finally, let's talk about the Pro Lounge, because this is more than just a tool, it's a community. And you can share success stories, ask questions, and even see example bookings from other members. Whether you're new to miles and points or a seasoned traveler, the space is packed with tips and inspiration to help you make the most out of your trips. So those are the top features of Daily Drop Pro, but now let me show you how they work in action with a real-life example. We've been planning a trip from here in Hawaii to Tokyo this February. It's a dream trip for us because seeing the snow monkeys has been on our bucket list for years. Plus, we'll get to visit Danny's brother and his family, including our 2 adorable nephews. So I searched for flights using Daily Drop Pro, and okay, look at this, a Delta flight for both of us at just 50,000 points total, plus $12 in fees. And Danny's gonna be thrilled because Delta is one of his absolute favorites. Now, do we have 50,000 Delta points? Yes, we do. But if we didn't, this is where Daily Drop Pro shines. It can point you toward great resources for earning the points you need. And right now, Delta has some fantastic sign-up bonuses that would more than cover this trip. And next, we'd need a place to stay. We have some Hyatt points saved up, so I searched for the hotels here in Tokyo, and look at this. The Hyatt Regency Tokyo for just 12,000 points per night. That's a no-brainer. And Daily Drop Pro even shows the availability calendar so I can easily plan how many nights to book. So in just a few minutes, Daily Drop Pro helped me find an incredible deal for both flights and hotels, all using points. And the best part, I didn't have to spend hours searching multiple sites or worrying if I was getting the best value. And it's all right here. So now that we've seen what Daily Drop Pro can do, let's talk about some of the pros and cons, because no tool is perfect, so I want to give you a balanced look at what works well and where there's room for improvement. I think the two biggest pros are probably a little bit obvious. It's going to save you a ton of time and money. So instead of manually comparing options, Daily Drop Pro does the heavy lifting for you. It searches real-time availability for flights and hotels so you can book quickly and confidently. And then also it's maximizing your points value. That's one of the standout features to me, is that it helps you get the most out of your points, which is always a big concern. For example, finding that Delta flight earlier for 25,000 points each to get to Tokyo instead of paying cash or using more points with another airline, it's a game changer for anyone who loves miles and points or just saving money. Another pro is that the platform is incredibly intuitive. I feel like it has a really user-friendly interface, and even if you're new to the miles and points game, they have step-by-step guides that make it really easy to get started. I also really love that all of these tools are combined in one place. So you have the flight point search, the hotels. It consolidates everything you need all in one place, so you don't have to log in and out of all these different accounts to figure out what you can actually afford. And I just want to hit on the Pro Lounge one more time. I feel like that's an amazing bonus. Being able to connect with other travelers, share tips, and see real-life examples of what's possible really adds so much value. Now let's talk about the cons. The Pro membership is $149 annually, or $99 with the current Black Friday promo, which I'll talk about in just a moment. But while it's not free, the savings you can get just on one trip easily justify the cost for frequent travelers. The biggest con that I've noticed is the load time for real-time searches is a little bit longer than I'm used to. Because it's pulling real-time availability for flights and hotels, some of the searches might take a little bit longer than Google Flights. But honestly, I feel like the results are worth the wait. The last con that I can think of is that there is a free version, but it only allows for 5 searches and limited alerts. It's actually a great way to test the tool, but if you're serious about travel deals, you'll want to sign up for the Pro plan. And this Black Friday, you can get a full year of Daily Drop Pro for just $99. That's down from $149. And you'll receive a set of limited edition compression packing cubes. These cubes are perfect for organized packing and an added bonus for making travel even easier. But this offer is only available until December 6th, so don't wait. So I hope this helps show you why Daily Drop Pro is perfect for anyone who wants to travel smarter. If you're a frequent traveler, a points enthusiast, or someone just planning a big vacation, this tool simplifies the process and makes it so much easier to find deals you might not have discovered on your own. If you're ready to try it for yourself, click our affiliate link in the description to take advantage of that Black Friday deal. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let me know in the comments where you'd love to travel to next. We'd love to hear from you.